This is for everybody. Yes, you should do it. But I'm not saying you shouldn't do it because you don't have a choice, because you don't know how to invest. You don't know how to put an account. You don't know how to trade. Yes, this is a problem for most of the people. That's why. But 401k has a fee. It's not for free. If you ask them, I will tell you the truth. Here is an example. I will tell you another example. Okay? Now, let's say they make a new 401k, a new plan. Okay? Where you put 100. This is what you put. They add 100. It means they match 100%. You have 200. And in your account, they let you buy stocks. No mutual funds. They put mutual funds. For me, if they put stocks, I will buy all my money. If I have $100,000, I bought stocks. I will never buy mutual fund. Never. Do you know why I tell you this? Because stocks have no fees. Do you understand? No 3% or 2% or 5%. No fees. It means this 3,000k that the guys for now they took it will be 3,000 here. Next year it will be 6,000, 9,000, 12,000. So your account will be going quicker and quicker and quicker. Second, mutual fund is the average of the stocks. But when you buy stocks, if you have better stocks, they can go more than the average. It means you will be making money better and faster. For example, now, for our account, it's 10,000, 100,000, our account. Now we are at 143. Okay? But if you bought mutual funds, it will never be 43. Even if it could be 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. But never 43,000, because this you need stocks, not mutual funds. Okay? Okay, Le Monde Blanc said, is virus real? Oh, you mean coronavirus? We have, I think we have 100,000 dead, they say, about virus. So if it's not true, I don't know. I am not a doctor to answer this question. But people who go there and they get killed, they say it's virus. So I don't know. So you should see with a doctor. Le Monde Blanc said, or something is created to manipulate brains and markets. No. Listen. You are speaking about coronavirus and the news and it's true or not, or Illuminati or conspiracy of the world. So I am not, my channel is not about this stuff. My channel is about, you go to the stock market, you put some money, you trade, you make money. That's it. I don't care about virus or not virus, or people that get killed or not, or it's true or it's not. What does it do for me? If I know, does it change my situation? Does it change? Does it make me better trader if I know that the virus is true or not? It doesn't. So, Samuel Daniel, I hate to disagree with you, but you are wrong. The Dow Jones was almost at 30,000 mark, and now it is at 24 mark. Sure, it did rebound, but still way below. Okay. Let's speak about Dow Jones, since you are speaking about Dow Jones. Okay. You say it was nearly 30 and now it's 24. Let's go to the chart. Okay. Okay. Dow Jones 29,500, 29,690. Okay, let's say it is 30,000. Okay, no problem. 30,000 and it go to the low of 18. Now it's 24. Okay, from 18 to 24. Now here downtrend, here uptrend. Now my question to you, are you speaking about trading or are you speaking about investing? Investing, you should see this. Okay, see this. This is a yearly chart. If let's say we begin with 1,000. Here is Dow Jones. In 82 was 1,000. Now it is 24,000. Are you speaking about investing or are you speaking about trading? If you are speaking about investing, you don't see one by year by year. You should see the investment that you have from where you bought and what is now. This is investing. Investing, you should not see the year, if it is down or up. Because in 2018 it was bad, in 2019 it was good. Okay? So this, you should not see the 1 year by 1 year. Because most of the time the yearly is what you see investing. So this is investing. You should not see 1 year and you say, oh, it was in the high and now it is in the low. This is not investing. Okay? Because you didn't buy in the you didn't buy, let's say in the day. You didn't buy in 12 of February and now we are in 23, because 22 is Friday, 23. Here what you are saying is, let me see. Sam Daniel, to sum it up, you are speaking about investing. We are speaking about trading. I don't buy from the top and let it go down and now you tell me you are at 24,000. We don't do that in trading. When the market is going down, we short sell in order to make money. So you are confused. I don't know, you don't know the difference between investing or trading, or you mix them. What we do here, what I'm speaking about in this session, we are speaking about trading. That's why I always say losers and winners. I'm not speaking about companies' investment. Because in order to say winner or loser, you should stay 10 years, 20 years in order to see if you are winning or you are losing in a company. It takes time. That's why we are in trading. So, Sam Daniel, when you are watching all this session, nearly now we are in 2 hours, you should think always about trading. We buy and we sell. We don't buy from the high and sell now. Let's say we buy at 30,000 and we sell at 24. We lost money. This, who will do that? Who will do that? Who will let its stocks going down, and let them like this? Who? It's not a trader. This is an investor. An investor, because when he buys, he's thinking about 10 years, 20 years. He's not speaking about this year. 2000, for example, 8 was bad. But the other years were good. So no one cares about 2008 because the other years are good. so you are making money. Okay? So Daniel, try to see that. Top series, the question is, how much stop loss to put now? Top series. It's not a question. It's a training that you should get and you should understand. You want a magic formula. There is no magic formula. There is, for example, if you go to training level 6, how to protect your trades, and training level 8, how to manage your account, I will show you how much you do as percentage or other ways, because there is not only percentage. There are other things that you can change into percentage. Now this you need a training. No one will tell you, because if you go online, they misled you. They will show you one thing, and because they don't trade, they miss the other things they don't know. So managing your account and putting your stop loss are two different things. So putting your stop loss, it depends. It depends on many things. Okay? So it's not one thing that you should put. If you put one, for example, if you put 1% to all your stocks, most of your stocks will be losers. Most of them. Why? Because your stop loss is very tight. If you put 10%, you will stay with stocks a long time and you are not making any money, which is a bad thing also. So, in order to know how much, you should get a training. So this, I can't explain. Even if I can explain, it takes me 2 hours because it's training. You should see things. You should see why you do this, why you don't do that. There are rules that you should apply in order to do this. But if you want to go online and to read an article, do 1%, do 5%, do 2%, those guys, they will never know what they are talking about, because most of them, they are not traders. They don't trade. That's why they want to give you something easy. But something easy, it doesn't solve your problem. You should get a training. Go Al-Haq, he said, I am a greedy man. Yes, I know you are a greedy man. That's why you lost your money. You are a gambler. You are not a trader. Sam Daniel said, never put stop loss. Use options for insurance. Use options. Now when you go home, try to do this. Okay? Try to calculate how this will work. You have a stock that it is $100, now it is $2. See how much you lost in 5 months or 6 months or 10 months. Try to see how much money you put as contracts, as put contracts. See how much money you make. You will end up losing all your money, even if you put options. Okay? You will do that. You are speaking about hedging. Hedging is mutual funds they do, because they don't care about the money. Even if they lose all these options, they don't care. Because they are staying 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. They are investing. They are not trading. A mutual fund, they don't trade. He doesn't buy today and sell tomorrow. It's forbidden in his account. He should leave stocks more than 1 year. He is an investor. That's why when the stock market is going down, he buys puts. But this is just to make the loss less, not to eradicate loss. The loss, he will get it, but it will be just less. Okay? Daniel said 3% is extreme. No, it's not extreme. There are some stocks you put 10%, some stocks you put 1%, some stocks you put 5%, some depends on the stocks. So 3 is not a big deal. Because 1%, where have you seen 1%? 1% are the stocks that are very, very, very slow. No stupid person trader is buying 1% loss stocks. No. And if you go home, Daniel, send me stocks, show me a stock that you buy and put 1%, and I will tell you that you are wrong. You will be always wrong, and all your trades will be losers. And the way the stock moves is so slow that you can't make money. 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, it goes 5% to 6%. This we don't like it here. We don't like stocks to wait 2 months or 3 months for 5%. We are not looking for interest rate. We are not doing bonds. Buy bonds is better. You buy a bond, you have 7%, 6% a year. That's it. Why you are doing trading? Okay. Ramin Alazov said, "Hi Karim, would you buy KGC in May 14 or 15? If yes, what would be your stop loss? If not, why not?" KGC. Ramin Alazov. $14 or $15. Let me see. KGC. Okay, so let's go. So you said, Karim, would you buy KGC in May 14 or 15? If yes, what would be your stop loss? If not, why not? Okay, let's go. Where is 14 and 15? This is 14. Oh, no. Where is 14 and 15? 14, 15. For me, 672 could be my stop loss. But understand, when I put here, let's say I put it here, where is 15? 14, 15. Okay, 14, the price was 720, 744, and here it is 60.72. Now, as you can see, I put it here, but in the way I do business, I am not going to buy according to what you buy. This is the thing I'm telling you. So when you buy a stock, okay, first you should have a reason why you buy the stock at that price. Okay? Now, for me, I have other criteria to see in order to put stop loss. So it's not easy. It's not just any stock I put stop loss without knowing, does it go with my strategy? Yes or no? Has it a probability to go up? Yes or no? There are other criteria that I should put in order to know when I put the stop loss exactly. Okay? Anyway, if the stop loss is too much, you should take it down. It depends on you also. You are the one who, it's your money. So you should put the stop loss where it is good for you. So there are a lot of criteria that I use, a lot of things that I use, and I know Ramin Alazov, I think I don't know if you have bought my training level 6. I don't think that you have bought training level 6. So you should study training level 6. You should study training level 8 to understand the game of stop loss. Stop loss, it's not percentages just you throw there and that's it. No, it have a lot of criteria you should see, and then you can decide. Because a stock you can put 5%, another stock you put 10%, another stock you put 2%. It depends on many things. So as I told Ruku, I am not going to explain this because it's a training. Okay? You said you pay commissions. Now most of the brokers have stopped paying commissions. Most of the brokers. I don't know why. Both actually, the effect of the virus is clear. Hey, yes, Sam, Daniel. You said the effect of the virus is clear. It's the news, not the virus. The news. But the news is too bad this month, these weeks. All the weeks are bad. So why the stock market is going up? Go and search. Sam, go and search. Saba S said, you are a very good teacher. Thank you very much, Saba. I'm trying just to help as much as I can. Try to explain as much as I can. Some people, they don't believe. So I can't do nothing. As they said, you can take a horse to the river to drink, but you can't make him drink. This is the proverb they say. I don't know if it's true or not. Yeah, I can just help and show you the way. But if you resist and you say no, it's no. So you stay where you are. If you are making money with your strategy, it's good also. But most of the people, they are struggling, they are losing money, and they try to argue again. This is too bad. You can't argue when you are losing money. When you make money and you have strategy, solid strategy, yes, you can explain. You can tell me this and this and that. Okay? KW, it's all KW. What about if I put stop loss losing depending on the 7th moving average? I don't use moving average. 7 moving average could be too much. 7 moving average depends on the days. So sometimes there are days that the stock goes down a little bit. Sometimes they go too much. Okay? So I don't use moving averages for my stop loss. I don't. I have my own strategy. I have my own explanations. If I tell you I put here is because I have criteria to see. Okay? Ramiz Alanov 14 and 15. Yes, I see that. 14 and 15. Yes. I know. I showed you 14 and 15. Yes. Top series are REITs good investment for long term? Real estate investment trusts? You know, most of the people, REITs, I have made a training about them, which is, there are some REITs that are good, some they are bad according to the tax. So you should search. But understand that for me, if I want to buy, I buy stocks with dividend than to buy REITs. It depends. If the REITs are moving slowly, they are not for me. For me, I'm looking for companies that they can go good in the price and in the dividend. Two things. But this is related to investing. There are a lot of criteria that I have. I have my ebooks about investing. I put a lot of criteria. You can see, you can check them. Ramiz Alarov, what about if I would buy option contract on the 14th May? But why you are speaking about 4th May or 15th May or the other way? So if you have I don't give suggestions where to buy the stock until you have my own strategy. If you have my own strategy, you should send me an email and we can discuss that. Because if you are taking my my training, we should discuss this in private because it is a private thing. Okay? Saba said, would you explain more about trading is not magic? Is math? Now listen, Saba. Now it is 2 hours 13 minutes. I should stop at 2 hours. So I am getting 30 minutes more, and I have my throat begin to hurt. So what I'm saying in my video about trading is math, it is not magic. It means people who are looking for a magic formula, it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. People, they want just something, to know something, and then they begin to make money. As if you are going to print money. You buy paper for the money, and just you print them, and then you become rich. This is not trading. Trading, you should learn. When I say math, I mean calculations. It means everything in your account should be calculated. The shares, the positions, the stop loss, everything should be calculated according to your criteria. When something goes wrong, you are not, for example, you are not making money in 1 month or 2. You should see what's the problem. That's what I mean by my video. Trading is math, it's not magic. Because a lot of people, I have seen people who lie over to millions of people. They say, okay, I can show you how to make $100,000 from $100. I have seen it in Facebook, in YouTube, and these guys, I don't know how they keep lying like this to the people. But still, I'm telling you, people, they believe in them. Because people, the guy who put $100, because they know that there are millions of people, they don't have money at all. So they tell them 100, you can make $100,000. You can find these videos and you can see them, and you can ask these people. Ask the people, ask him, okay, I give you $10,000. I don't need $100,000. Just in each month, double it and send me $10,000 each month for life, and I will stop working, and you do the job, and take all the money after 10,000. You take it for yourself. These people are the biggest liars on YouTube and Facebook, but this is what they do. People, they believe in them. That's why we have a problem. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for asking questions. And we have 2 hours 16 minutes. I can't go more than that. I'm very tired right now. So as usual, this video is very long. I always cut it into 4, and I put it this next week, like 30 minutes or 35 minutes, because some people, they told me you can cut it and we can watch each day half an hour, and that's it. Okay. So this is just to make it easy for you guys. For those who want to watch it all, you should thank you very much, Top Series. Every subject I do, it is very, very important to make money. But there are some people, they don't understand the answers or when I'm explaining. So when I explain, it means this is just the basics I'm telling you. But in my training, I give more because you pay for it. Okay. So thank you very much, and see you next time. So Jocelyn say the horse will drink when he is ready. Good night. Yes, but the problem is that he doesn't drink, and all his investment is lost This is what I am meaning. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next week.